Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about spark plugs on your vehicle and how important is it to replace them on the correct interval. Spark plugs actually wear, the tips of them, they start to wear out. What the spark plug does is actually creates the spark that ignites the fuel in the combustion chamber and keeps your engine running. Spark plugs are extremely important, and today spark plugs tend to last a lot longer than they used to. So often most vehicles don't recommend a spark plug replacement to 90 or 100,000 miles. By that point, the spark plug's worn out. Some of the items that can be affected if you don't replace a spark plug because the gap gets excessive, they have to work extra hard, are coil packs or direct over coils that go on top of the spark plug, along with plug wires often wear out also on a vehicle if you still have those. Most vehicles today are what we call coil over, which is this small boot on top of the spark plug. Keeps the engine running well if you keep the spark plugs replaced. Other items that can be affected by not replacing spark plugs on a timely fashion are catalytic converters and other sensors inside the engine itself. So what you want to do is make sure that you stick to the manufacturer's recommendation on spark plug replacement, get them replaced when recommended, keep the vehicle in good working order.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday following News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW San Diego.